In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark task on track in Microsoft Project when you're updating a schedule. A quick way to show that work is progressing exactly as planned is to use the Mark on Track feature. This tool automatically updates progress for you, so you don't have to type percentages or dates by hand. Before we click anything, it's important to set the status date. Think of the status date as the as of date for your update, a snapshot in time that tells Project, calculate progress up to this point. To set it, go to the Project tab on the ribbon, choose Status Date, pick the date you want, often that's today, and click OK. If you don't set one, Project will use the current date, but setting it explicitly removes any doubt and makes your updates consistent. The status date is what the Mark on Track command uses to figure out how much of each task should be complete by now, based on your planned start and finish dates. Now you're ready to mark tasks on track. Open your project in the Gantt chart view so you can see tasks alongside their timelines. Select the task or tasks you want to update. You can choose a single activity or highlight several at once if multiple items are on schedule. Then go to the Task tab and click Mark on Track. That's it. Project will update the selected tasks automatically. Behind the scenes, Mark on Track updates the percent complete field and aligns each selected task's progress with your schedule through the status date you set. It assumes the work has been happening as planned. No delays, no acceleration, just exactly on schedule. In other words, you're telling Project, this task is exactly where it should be today. To confirm the result, glance at the percent complete column or look at the progress bars on the Gantt chart. You should see the bars filled to the point the schedule expects by the status date. If a task isn't truly on schedule, skip Mark on Track for that one and handle it separately, since this command is meant for tasks that match the plan. Use this approach whenever you do a regular update cycle. Set the status date first, then select the activities that are on schedule and click Mark on Track to bring your plan current with just a couple of clicks. It's fast, consistent, and keeps your timeline aligned with reality without extra manual edits.